Hi guys, I am Tripura and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to create this look. I just feel this look is so festive. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, we are going to start with our brows. Here I am using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Cool Black. I am using this to fill in my brows. First, you should always be outlining your brows and then you should start filling it. I like to keep the front parts of the brow little natural, but again, it's up to your personal preference. And as an eyeshadow base, I am using the concealer. And for my eyeshadow today, I am using the nykaa palette. First of all, I am going to take this color on a big blending brush and I am going to use this as a transition color. Placing the product on the crease and blending it well. This is a very great eyeshadow palette if you are searching for something in budget or if you are a beginner. They have other color variants also in this range. So if you are searching for something which is beginner friendly, you can definitely give this palette a try. Next, I am taking a small blending brush and using this brown color, and I am placing the color mostly on the outer corners because I want to give my eye little smoky effect. So I am concentrating on placing the color only on the outer corners and blending it well. Once everything is blended seamlessly, I am going to take this shimmer shade and using a flat brush, I am going to pack the shimmer on my eyelids. You can even use your fingers to pack the color on your eyelids. And on my face, I am starting with a primer. Here I am using NYX Angel Wild Primer. I am only using the orange corrector on the areas where I have pigmentation. I am using that to cancel out that pigmentation. I am using my fingers to blend that. Once it is blended, I am using foundation. Here I am taking two foundations, the pack and the L'Oreal one. And using a flat brush, I am applying the foundation on my face and blending it. Always remember to place the product on the center of your face and then blend it outwards. Then I am taking a damp sponge just to set everything well. Sponges are great to remove if there is any extra product on our face. For my concealer today, I am using the same palette from MAC Cosmetics, and from that I am using the shade NC40. Once I am done with the concealer, I am using K Beauty setting powder and setting the places where I have applied concealer. And for my contour today, I am again using the same palette and taking the darkest shade and using it as a contour. Remember guys, you should always be applying your contour below your cheekbones. Don't bring it too low because it will give you an effect of your face dragging down. With contour, what we want to do is we want our face to look lifted up. So always be precise with your contour application. Don't bring it too low. Once the contour is nicely blended, for my bronzer today I am using the Sugar Cosmetics bronzer. And for my blush today I am using the Sugar Cosmetics mini blush in the shade Coral Climax. And then I am taking the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner and doing a very thin winged eyeliner. This is a great eyeliner, but this is not smudge proof, so it will definitely smudge after some time. Then I am taking the same orange color and using it on my lower lash line. Then I am using a highlighter to highlight inner corners of my eyes. And for the lipstick today, we are going to use the MAC Cosmetics Lady Danger lipstick. This is a very bright orange shade lipstick. And then I applied the balm highlighter, and to finish off the look I added some fake lashes. This is completely optional. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you like this video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.